Hello friends, welcome to the fifth part of the resistors presentation series. This part explains the estimation and measurement of resistance value. The topics for discussion in part 5 are color coding of resistors, 4-band resistor color code, resistor color code chart, reading color code, the tolerance concept, how to remember the color code, prefixes for resistance value, resistor shorthand, color coding of resistors under 10 ohm, color coding of precision resistors, color coding of 0 ohm resistors, alphanumeric coding system of resistors, chip resistor coding system, industrial type designation, measuring with ohm meters, precautions in measuring with ohm meters.
Normally, resistance can be determined by two methods, with the coding schemes and by measuring instruments like ohm meter or multimeter. Coding schemes can be mainly of two types, color coding and alphanumeric coding. In color coding, the resistance value is designated with different color bands, which is printed on the resistor. Each color has an associated number. Normally, there will be 4 to 6 color bands on the resistor. In 4-band color code, the first and second bands represent the first and second digits respectively. Third band specifies the number of zeros after the second digit to get the resistance value. The last fourth band is tolerance. This is the color coding. There is a number associated with each color. For black, the number is 0. For brown, the number is 1. Like that. Let us see how can we interpret the color coding. First, look at the band which is close to the end of the resistor. This is our first color band. Find the number related with this color. This is the first digit of the resistance value. Look at the next color band. Identify the number for that color and write it as the second digit of the resistance value. Now go for the third color and find the number related with that. This number specifies the number of zeros needed after the second digit to complete the resistance value. So write that many number of zeros after second digit. Consider the example given. The first band is yellow. So the first digit is 4. Second band is violet. So the second digit is 7. Third is red. So the digit is 2. That means after second digit we need 2 zeros. Or the multiplier is 10 to the power of 2. So the value is 4700 or 47 into 10 to the power 2 ohms. The coding will be complete if we consider the fourth band also. The fourth band is tolerance, which will be explained with the next slide.
Tolerance is represented with the fourth band of the 4-band color coding scheme. It is the deviation that a resistor may vary from its nominal value resistance measured at 25 degrees Celsius with no load applied. Tolerance is usually stated in percentages. If a resistor has a nominal value of 1000 ohm and a tolerance of 10%, then the resistor varies in its actual value from 900 ohm to 1100 ohm and still be considered acceptable. Any resistor fabricated with an actual value outside that range should be rejected as not meeting specifications.
You can easily memorize the color coding with the help of any of these sentences. Here the first letter of each word denotes the color. In these sentences, the colors are arranged in the ascending order of their respective code numbers from 0 to 9.
The table shows the multipliers needed for the conversion of any multiple or submultiple resistance unit to ohms. For resistors with large or very small values of resistance, these prefixes can be used to have a handy shortening.
In circuit diagrams, resistors values are written normally with a code. Here instead of decimal point, letters are used as mentioned in the slide. For resistors of values less than 10 ohm, we use gold and silver as the multiplier band. For gold, the multiplier is 0.1 and for silver it is 0.01.
Precision resistors are very precise with a very low tolerance value. They are often using a 5-band or 6-band color coding. In the 5-band color code, the first band is the first significant digit, second band is the second significant digit, third band is the third significant digit. The fourth band is the multiplier and the fifth band is the tolerance. In 6-band color coding, the first 5 bands are the same as like the 5-band color code high precision resistors. The 6th band specify the temperature coefficient of resistance.
A 0 ohm resistor is normally used in place of jumper wires in PCBs. It has a very low resistance and specified with a single black color band on the body.
Alphanumeric coding system of resistors uses numbers and alphabets to indicate the resistance value. There are many systems using various methods. It can be a straight numeric value or a numeric code. Two such schemes are described here. The first scheme is for surface mount resistors and the second scheme is for industrial type resistors. SMT resistors are printed with coded numerical values. Their body color is usually white or off-white and the end terminals are C-shaped. Normally SMT resistors are marked with a 3-digit code in which the first 2 digits are the first 2 significant digits of the resistance value and the third digit is the number of zeros. Four-digit code is used for precision SMT resistors which has 3 significant digits and 1 multiplier.
Industrial type designation is also belonging to alphanumeric coding. Here 2 letters and 4 digits are used normally. The first 2 letters shows the power dissipation capacity. The 3 first digits out of the 4 digits code designates the significant figures and the last digit represents the tolerance as per the given table. Let's discuss how to measure resistance. Ohmmeters and multimeters are used to measure the resistance directly. They can be of digital or analog type. The indirect methods of measurements are not discussing here. Resistance should be measured after removing it from the circuit. For measurement, keep the meter in resistance mode and adjust the range to optimum. Then measure the resistance.